Hi everyone, it's your boy Ricky here with Honeybee Stamps, and this week we are celebrating the colors red, white, and blue. Will be July 4th here in the United States, so we're going to be making a patriotic card. We're going to be using the Stamp and Die Set United We Stand, and we're also going to be using the Summer Stems Honeybee Stamps paper pack that just recently came out, and just a card base, and we're going to use a couple other things that happen in this video that just pop up. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and get some die cuts out, and we're going to choose some paper from the paper pad. Well, it's red, white, and blue, so I decided to use colors from this paper pad that are, well, red, white, and blue. So I decided to use this polka dot dark blue, this red kind of flowery color, and then there's also like this white lacy kind of situation going on. You really can't see it in the video because it's a little bright, but hopefully you can see it at the end of the video when I show the card. If not, you may be able to see it in the Instagram photo. So basically what we're going to do is go ahead and get these cut out. We're going to cut out each color with the coordinating die that would go with it for the American flag. The bottom layer was just a rectangle of the white lacy kind of paper. Then we did the red stripes, and then from the blue we are going to do the stars here, and we'll go ahead and get that cut out with the little die cutting machine here. Now that we have those out, we're going to go ahead and get the pieces placed onto the flag. And so here I'm just kind of laying things out to make sure everything's going to fit, to make sure that I have everything put in place before I actually start to go glue these things together. So I kind of have them in the order that they need to be. You know, I just want to make sure they're properly distanced and all that great stuff. But now what we're going to do is go ahead and get the flag put together. I'm going to use some Honeybee Stamps glue here to go ahead and get this glued down. And then I will also be doing the same thing for each one of the stripes. Now, you know, I kind of had to guess here, like exactly how far should these be. The white should be about the same width apart as the reds, so that's how I did it here. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this laid down. It's the last color, or the last stripe here. And then we have the American flag complete with the pattern paper. This is the best part about liquid glue, is if you need to move something, you can. So I always use liquid glue when I need to. So there we go. That's the American flag. We have that completed. Now the next thing we're going to do is we are going to use some gem stickers here. We're going to use some red, white, and blue gem stickers and place this onto the card. You know, I'm making this a pretty simple card. It's not fancy or flashy. You know, we want to show off the American flag as the biggest part of the card. But so here we are. We're just going ahead and placing these onto the card. These are from different gem packs. I don't recall what they are. That one was Log Cabin. I think one was Holiday, and I can't remember the other one. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and stamp out the sentiment here. You know, I rub the stamp because it is a new stamp, and you know, we want the ink to stick to it. And we're also going to use the coordinating die. Now you guys know what I'm going to say. These coordinating dies are the bomb. They're the best thing since sliced bread because it makes your sentiment look like the bomb. So we'll go ahead and get that through the die cutting machine, and as you see here, it's going to be cut perfectly. It's going to look like, you know, you cut it out, fussy cut it, but no, you didn't. We're going to use some 3M foam tape to go ahead and get the flag propped up here onto the card. And we're also going to be using some 3M foam tape here as well to go ahead and get that onto the card. And pretty much the card is done. Now this week, Honeybee Stamps will be celebrating red, white, and blue. Be on the lookout for some random giveaways on social media all week from 6/26 to 7/3. Also, Kelly will be doing lives as well. There will also be a sale over on the website for an additional 20% off of clearance and retiring products from July 2nd to July 5th. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you supporting Honeybee Stamps, and make sure that you check them out over on all the social media accounts. Also, you can check me out over on Instagram and YouTube by searching for Bromero Cards. And all the products listed below, or all the products used in this video will be listed below. So you guys, I hope you have a great day. If you're in the United States, happy July 4th. I know this is coming out on a Sunday before July 4th, but you know, happy 4th. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much, and I will talk with you next week. Bye.